It's my avocado toast panzanella.
Oh, yes.
All right?
Yes!
So we're doing it all in one dish. So it's all the things that you might put on an avocado toast, done panzanella style, which is essentially a bread salad. This is a salad I can totally get behind. All right, this is a great way to make it for a crowd. GZ, I'm putting you on avocado duty. I want you to dice that up for me.
Yes.
And then we're using these little Persian cucumbers. If
Okay.
you do a thin slice on that as well and put
Done.
it all in this bowl. I've got a soft French baguette, you know, not the one that's like the super crusty one, the one that's a little bit softer. And I'm just gonna toss these with some olive oil first. So get a good amount in there and then season them. Very important step. Some salt, and let's hit them with a little bit of pepper. And toss them around. And then I've got a parchment lined baking sheet here. I'm just gonna spread these out so they get nice and toasty. Okay, this is going into the oven, 400 degrees, 10 to 15 minutes until it's toasted and browned. And then you're gonna let it cool completely. I've got one here that's already done, just like that. And GZ, while you work on that, I'm gonna make the salad dressing. So I like this really bright and lemony. Think about when you do an avocado toast and you squeeze a lemon on top. So lemon. I've got some chopped capers.
I squeeze lime.
Yeah, I do lime.
You could do lime for sure.
Yeah, I really only do lime, but
Same here.
All right. You do lime, I do lemon. All right, a little Dijon mustard goes in. And then the real pièce de résistance, some everything bagel seasoning.
oh, it goes on everything in our house.
Yep. And give it a good whisk. Now that seasoning already has some salt in it, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more because we got a lot of veggie action going in there and they need the salt. Whisk that up till it's nice and emulsified.
And if you're looking for everything bagel seasoning, we actually did a recipe on the kitchen, so you can find it on foodnetwork.com.
Amen.
Yeah.
Kitchen, yeah.
And I've noticed now it's at the grocery
It is,
store
hard to
almost
find.
always. All right, so I'm gonna take some fresh basil and tear it right into here. So we get that nice, bright, herby thing going on. Some halved tomatoes. Wow. Because you know you do your tomatoes on the avocado toast sometimes. And then thinly sliced red onion. I've got that on avocado toast a lot. GZ, get those in there. And let's put, will you put all those in there? I just realized I didn't put any olive oil in my dressing.
Oh,
Hello.
Ooh, that was close.
Oh, that was close.
Okay, you could have just drizzled afterwards.
All right, so let's get a nice healthy amount of olive oil in there.
I find, Katie, that
whisk it up.
avocados need, like, they drink salt.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Never
right.
put enough salt on an avocado.
Yeah, you really have to salt it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's toss this
Oh,
together
baby.
now with the dressing.
Speaking of salt, should I put some in?
Yes.
It's a nice, healthy start to the new year here, too.
This is a
right?
healthy
Yeah.
stuff. We were talking about this would be great with like a shrimp, poached shrimp or something.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be
Yeah.
fun?
Well, you know what my New Year's tradition is? About 9:30, I go to bed.
That's it.
What?
Wow, you
Yeah,
should write
we-
a book on that.
We
That
have a
sounds
nice
like-
dinner and then we go to sleep. I don't even stay up to watch
No,
the
it's a
ball
lot.
drop.
Have you guys
I
ever
gotta
done
work
Times
on it.
Square?
No.
I have. I do it every year.
That's
Jeffrey always
right.
does
Every year we have a
that,
restaurant in
yeah.
Times Square.
So many
Crossroads
people.
of the world.
It's
It's
only a
beautiful.
million and a half people. It's fine.
It's only a million. It's nice.
And okay, GZ, while I
Yep.
plate this up,
Yep.
slice those eggs in half for
Yes,
me, because
ma'am.
what do you usually have on your avocado toast?
Hey.
Well, how would you like them
I
sliced?
love
Just
this.
sliced in half. And this is gonna go in a nice, pretty serving dish. I mean, you put this on the brunch table, everybody's going for it. Tell them avocado's not extra at your house.
Okay. Those 3 hungry little slices they give you for $2 extra.
Right? Now, I usually like to let this sit for about 20 minutes and get nice and soft, but it's all right if it doesn't. And then I just take my eggs
Wow.
and kind of arrange them around.
Pretty.
These are medium boil. I like the yolk to still have a little softness to it.
Yeah.
Will you pass me the salt and pepper?
Yes, ma'am.
And let's hit each one of those eggs with just a
That's
little
another
salt.
thing that needs salt. Eggs
Yep.
and avocado, right?
Yeah.
Hit them with a little bit of pepper all the way around. And then I like a little crumbled feta cheese on top of this.
And this has got everything you'd ever have.
I'm gonna
in
tear
anything.
this bread salad up.
Totally. And you could do queso fresco. That would be really good,
Queso
too.
fresco.
Okay.
I love queso fresco.
So do I.
Tortilla would be.
I'm sure that on New
Tortilla.
Year's Day we have this and with like 2 bottles of wine.
Exactly.
And then you really.
Pass
then
me
you take-
another
So much for light and clean.
basil.
And you sleep like a baby that day.
I know about your New Year's brunches,
Oh, we have
Jeffrey.
epic brunches. That's actually better than New Year's Eve in a lot of ways. Thank you.
Hey, Seth, tell me what you think.
Well, it just look at that.
So much going on.
Just looks visually stunning. It's like a Matisse painting.
Oh, wow, Matisse. Good guy, great artist.
This is so delightful and so surprising. It all works. There's a lot of ingredients in here, but none of them get in the way. They're bright. The citrus is really like on point.